Guys, we finally made it. This is going to be the last video that you see of me looking the same. I am super exhausted. I've been filming all evening. Anyway, I also just want to say shout out to the About Face lip tint or lip color, whatever, lip paint. Oh man, I have not reapplied or anything out of all of my videos, and I've been, you know, drinking to keep, because my voice is getting dry and all of that fun stuff. So anyway, now that the announcements are over, the last one in this, the last review of this series is the Boxy Charm Premium. What to do? Alright, so this is a $35 a month subscription, and you get, I believe, 6 full-size items, all valued, I believe, at, I don't know if it's $200 or $250. Anyway, we will figure that all out as we go. So again, we've got the Valentine XOXO theme. Dropped the card, as well as your variation and pricing. There is that variation code at the bottom if you're interested in that. And oh yeah, okay, so it's kind of a lot. All right, sneaky peek. All right, this is a huge box, so I am gonna excuse me, I'm just gonna take everything out because holy crap. Ew. Like, that's a huge box. There's this huge cardboard in there. Okay. Alright, sorry guys. Sorry. Alright, so the first thing that I've already gotten this before. Okay, I guess we're gonna start with the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Radical. So let me just make sure this is the same thing. I think I have gotten this before, but let me just see what it is. Yeah, I have. But I feel like I didn't get it through Boxy. I feel like, did I get this through Ipsy? Did guys, did Ipsy have this? Because if so, I got it through there. But anyway, this is very lovely. It's really nice. I did actually like it. It smells like rose, but it wasn't too overpowering because I've said this before, I'll say it again, I get migraines triggered very easily, and this was okay. Like, the scent was good. It has a dropper. I probably will end up giving this to my mother, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It does have that illuminating properties in it, so it is very good. It is a very good product. Just kind of like, oh man, I already got this before, but if you haven't, I think you'll like it. Again, let's see, this is $60, so way overpays for the $35 box. So yeah, good value there. All right, next we're gonna do this Bali Balm Sweet and Orange Coconut Lip Balm. I never heard of this. Let's see what it is exactly. Bali Balm. Yeah, I think it is exactly what it says. And okay, so it's one of these guys, which is good because my lips have been super dry in the dry winter months, so I can't get it to squeeze out. Oh, it's pretty thick. Looks like a nice thick cream. Not really. Oh, that smells good. So there's that cream. Nice. Let's see how it feels on the skin. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm willing to give that a try at night. It smells really good. So, okay. That one is, where is it on here? $33. Well, let's see what it does for $33 because I didn't know it was $33. Essential oils. Well, that's it right there. Of sweet orange and coconut, give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma. It does smell good. And silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural embodiment that moistures for soft, supple lips. Ooh, I like supple. All right. It's $33. I will let you know on my Instagram if I do think it's worth $33. I'm gonna say probably not. I wouldn't pay $33 for it, like ever, but that's why we love subscription boxes. The next thing, I'm excited for the Tartiest Double Take Eyeliner Double Effect. So you know I like that. It's not quite a double prizes, but it is double duo, so can't go wrong there. Of course, it is in the color black. This one goes for $24, which sounds like a normal Tarte pricing. So, oh, my back is starting to hurt, friends. Look at that pretty packaging, and yes, okay, so one side is a pencil, one is a liquid, so it looks like one is the twisty top. So let's go ahead and give that a try. I want to there we go. Oh, that's nice. Very sleek, very smooth. I like it so far. And then of course the other side with the brush, and oh, I think I'm gonna like it. Oh yeah, I didn't do a straight line, but definitely very good. Oh, I like it. I am super stoked. For this, I haven't tried much Tarte items. I know they've been putting them in BoxyCharm for quite a while, but I didn't join BoxyCharm until around, I think, August-ish. So I am newer to Tarte and trying them out. So $24, good deal, excited about that. That I would pay $24 for, because if you know, like Urban Decay and Too Faced and all of that stuff is $24 just for a one-sided pen. So yeah, so it is still double prizes in my book. All right, next we've got this. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, it's a glass jar, I think. Out of sight, California. Out of sight, out of mind, I don't know. Blue Aura, turmeric and holy basil cleansing water. Ooh, I think this was my, no, this wasn't my choice. This other thing was my choice. All right, let's see what this does. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Out of sight, I don't know, siate. I don't know. A powerful no rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying, I don't know, our Ayurvedic herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution. I almost said politician. That would be kind of nice. And in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they take their toll. $39. $39. So let's see here. Oh, okay. It's got one of these guys. So it's got like a little stopper on it, so that's good. Ooh, that smells good. I wish that you guys could smell this. Almost looks like a micellar water because, oh no, it's just the bottle. I was seeing here, I thought maybe you needed to shake it. But I didn't see anything about shake it up. Shake it up. So I'm liking this. I like that. All right, I'll probably wash this face off with that. All right. Here is my choice item. Was the Elemis Muscle... What? Muscle Seas. What? I cannot read. You guys, I am tired. This is like my 6th video. Active body oil. Relaxing body oil for tired legs and muscle tension. Rosemary, maritime pine, sea fennel. Relieves, relaxes, and soothes. Oh, my back's hurting so bad, so I need this. I need this. This says it is $63, and I kind of figured it was going to be pricey because of all of the oils in here. Because the oils are essential oils. Okay, I'm getting delusional. Please hang out with me as I get through this. So it looks like it has, and I don't know quite how to use this, but it looks like it has this cool little tip on the top. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous bottle. It is, oh, it has a little British brand on the back. Super, super cute. And I don't know how you open it. I don't know. How does it open, guys? Is it a twist? Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, that seems dangerous. So, like, I thought maybe this kind of was, you know, thought it was gonna help so it didn't make a mess. But yeah, it's like it's just gonna pour out. So if you're not careful, it's got a big hole. Ooh, very light scent. So I like it. And yeah, definitely nice to have a massage oil in here. Like this is nice because this is a good size. What is this? How much is this? 3.3 fluid ounces. So, I mean, that's a good size. This, again, was what? How much? $63.50. So, I'm excited. Okay, I know I keep rambling about that, but wow, I like it. I like it. Then I got the lilac. The lilac one, which I like purples because I feel like purples do make my eyes pop, my brown eyes. They make me have pretty brown eyes. So I was glad, I mean, I wanted any of them. All of them were so beautiful. To be honest, I would have liked the pink one just because I liked the yellow shades in there. But I also liked the mint one or the green one because it was so pretty. But this one too, like it doesn't matter to me. So I'm happy with it. Like if I were paying for these on my own, I would have bought the purple. But you know, being in a subscription, I would have liked the other colors, but again, like I said, these are so gorgeous. Oh yeah, we gotta do the swap. The swaps? The swatches. Swatches. Ooh, I don't even know what colors. So we definitely have got to try this dual thing. Sorry, I'm mesmerized. I'm mesmerized and my back hurts. Okay, let's go ahead and try that one first. Okay, so it's definitely pinker, or yeah. So it looks more pink in person to me. Let me wipe off that oil I just put on my hand. All right, and dry it off. Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, let me get some more in there because I want you guys. Oh, wow. Dude, look at that shimmer. Is that like a duochrome type thing? Oh my gosh. Whoa. I just made it die. Oh, I killed it. Look at that. I jacked up this one, friends. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're going to do the other two shimmery colors as well, just so we can get an idea of the different of what they all three look like. So that pink one, so both these pinks, it's just a little bit lighter tint of pink. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to play with it. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do the one I jacked up, and the purple, and the other purple. All the purples and the pinks. All the purples and the pinks. Okay, I'm gonna put those right here. Ooh, they swatch nice. Okay. Oh, I like it. This one maybe could be built up a little bit. I think it's just my skin tone more than it is the actual formula. It just kind of blends in with my skin tone, which is fine. So guys, I gotta show this to you again. I know you've probably seen it. So this is my second Huda Beauty palette. I got the, of course, the Glam Bag X, this one, and that is what I'm wearing on my eyes. I loved the formula. And I'm just throwing that in there because I know, like, I'm excited to try these. They swatched well, and I think they'll perform well. So this little guy is, how much? $29. So let's go ahead and do the recap. So we got the palette. We got, I thought we got 6 items, but I only see 5. Anyway, no, we did, wait, what? Okay, anyway, we got the palette, we got the massage oil, we got this holy basil cleansing oil, we got the Bali Balm, and this Rose Radiance stuff. So, oh, that's the other one. We got the Tarte eyeliner duo. So that was 6. So what did you guys think? Did you like this variation? I did like the variation. However, I'm not too excited about these 2 items. One, because I already have this, and I mean, this is gonna last well, like this says that it goes, you know, it's good for 6 months. Definitely gonna last you way more than 6 months because a little goes a long way. And then this, for $33, I mean, whatever. It's okay. So I'm gonna say that I am happy with these 4 items. So definitely a good value still. And I will put the total here. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I will have the swatches as well as other photos. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great evening and rest of your week. Thanks, guys.